In this video, I'm going to share you guys a tutorial to update firmware on your Veikk graphic tablet. Veikk recently released firmware update for all their graphic tablet, which will help you to enable tilt support on all their graphic tablet as well as a little bit performance improvement. That performance improvement is from my personal experience. The official one is the tilt support only. So there is the firmware and we can install that firmware on our graphic tablet to get the new features. But the problem is there is no official guide which you can follow to update the firmware. So that's why this guide. So first head out to the Veikk website, download section, firmware section, and download the firmware for your preferred graphic tablet. After that, to update the firmware, we need Veikk software. We don't want to download the Veikk software which is available on the Veikk website because on that version we can't update the firmware. So to update the firmware, we need the Veikk software version 2.0.2.1, which is only available on the Chinese website of the Veikk. So the link will be given in the description. Head out to there and download the Veikk software from the Chinese website. After that, install the Veikk software, and after install there will be a new prompt to install the GD32 MCU DFU driver. Just install that. After there is a tick mark on that prompt, just close that and open the Veikk software. After opening the Veikk software, if your graphic tablet is not detected, just replug the graphic tablet. Then after showing the graphic tablet on the Veikk software, head over to the About section and choose Firmware Update option. And just wait a little bit and it will open the Firmware Update prompt. On the new Firmware Update dialog box, on the DL Open App File section, choose Open and select the downloaded firmware file. After that, press OK and wait till the process get completed. So after the process is completed, the progress bar will be complete. So after that, choose leave DFU mode option. Then just close the update dialog box and your updated graphic tablet will be detected on the Veikk software. If you don't press the leave DFU option and just close the firmware update dialog box, then you need to replug the graphic tablet to get the graphic tablet to be detected on the Veikk software. So that's it. That's all about this simple video, guys. So after update, you can just update the Veikk software to latest version if you need, or you can just stay on the old version. So that's it. That's all about this simple video, guys. Simple way to update the firmware on your Veikk graphic tablet. I hope you guys find this video useful. If you do so, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.